Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download PlayStore on your laptop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking open a web browser and in the URL box search for Nox Player. Press the enter, and from the multitudes of search results, click on the first link that says Nox Player Free Android Emulator on PC and Mac. Now, click on the download button to download it on your device. You can see the progress of your download at the bottom left corner. Wait for it to download on your device. After the download is finished, click on Open File and install it on your device. Click on the Install button and wait for it to finish. After the download is completed, click on the Start button, open the application. As soon as it opens, log into your Google Play account. Click on the Login Now button and sign into your Google account. Enter your Google account's credentials and click on the Next button. Now, on the next page, enter your password and log into your account. And you can see that all of the applications available on your Android now will be available for your PC as well. That is how you can download the Play Store on your laptop. To be able to do so, you'll need to download Nox Player and you are ready to go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.